What's this surrounded here? It's hard to maintain. It's hard to maintain this garden. Wow. Kaganda niya. And ito, ano kaya to? Is grapes? It look like grapes. So beautiful. Mga grapes pala siya, ang liliit pa, oh. And this is all the apple. Look at this. Ang dami na namang apple. May mga apple, oh. Pwede. Mga grapes siya, oh. Ay, may kinagatan. Inana na siguro to ng ibon. Ang dami niyang apple. Iba-ibang kulay. Ito ay green. Oh, green pa siya. Green. Ay, thank you for watching.